Fubara Diri set to join APC. Welcome to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. It go give you alert once we drop updates. Like, comment, and share our videos. The wave of defection from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress APC e no go complete for the South-South political zone until Rivers and Bayelsa State join the bandwagon. Now this scenario now can they bring about the overtures when they make to the suspended governor of Rivers State, Siminalayi Fubara, and Douye Diri of Bayelsa State. And the green light don dey show say both governors dem don dey think along that line to jump ship. Governor Sim Fubara of Rivers State and Douye Diri of Bayelsa State then don set to defect to the All Progressive Congress APC for wetin go come become a major political shift for Nigeria South-South region. Senate President Godswill Akpabio na im dey talk dis revelation during im party rally for the Godswill Akpabio International Stadium to welcome Akwa-Ibom Governor into the APC. Akpabio come commend Delta State Governor Sheriff Oberewori when he initiate the wave of defections for the South-South region. According to Akpabio, this na just the beginning. Akpabio dey talk this one after Akwa-Ibom Governor the governor of Rivers, go join the APC. Then after am, the governor of Bayelsa State go also join. Although Governor Diri don earlier deny plans to defect, political observers dey believe say the ongoing realignment go likely influence im decision. For Governor Fubara, the delay wey im dey get, according to the report, na im current suspension, which sources dey say dem go soon lift. Fubara e don dey give the body signs say e dey on im way out of the PDP since im don dey miss all PDP activities both for im home state and also for the national level. And Fubara na the deputy chairman of PDP Governors Forum. The South go likely fall to APC completely before the 2027 general election. The APC don recover Edo during the official circle election last year, and now they don capture Delta State with the defection of Governor Sheriff Oberewori. They don also capture Akwa-Ibom with Governor wey they just recently receive into their fold. Wetin remain na Rivers and Bayelsa to complete the sweep of the All Progressive Congress for South-South. This scenario e no dey please many people, especially the coalition group. When report when e enter earlier don talk how they don apply to INEC to register the association as a political party. with the name All Democratic Alliance, ADA, ADA. The belief be say President Tinubu wan turn Nigeria to one-party state. And Tinubu don talk am, say although that will not be intention, but if everybody choose to queue under one party, he say e go give us better democratic experience. But he make am clear, say make anybody not blame am for the problem wey their parties dey face, because not be him go help them solve the problems for their party. That na them go solve their problems themselves. Although we still get sentiments when people dey express that e no follow say the south region go one way, that Fubara of Rivers and Diri of Bayelsa go still fit be tag team to remain for the People's Democratic Party. Such situation, e go show them say there be politicians of principles, but they get the mind to take do that kind of thing. And that won't be the question. Like somebody they talk, he say to join APC not be the solution of the Niger Delta. He said this crop of political class them. He said I go show them the way out, because APC not be option for our people for the Niger Delta, South region. He said now the South region now they feed the rest of Nigerians. And so new leaders go emerge when he go send all these defectors to political oblivion or irrelevance. And some others they say it better for Fubara to join APC, because PDP don long ago abandon am. They leave Fubara to carry him cross himself, and so e go dey safer for am make e kuku join them, since he no fit beat them. Others they say up APC is na the largest party for Africa. Whether they talk am as mockery or genuinely, na only one know. The country people, this one went 2 years to the general elections. They focus now on politics. Which time governance go come take place? And that will be the bane of politics for Nigeria. Everybody now they talk of 2027. When 2025, just the middle. How will Nigerians now enjoy the dividends of democracy? How will I see this situation?